when you open Antigravity and then you try to use Gemini 3.1 Pro, you are going to surely come across this message saying that it is not available on the version you are using. Don't worry, I've been able to fix it. Let me send the message for you to see that Gemini 3.1 Pro is working perfectly fine inside my Google Antigravity. Okay, so let me show you how you can also fix yours. So to fix it, simply come here to where we have all these options. Come here to the help and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, all these options is going to pop up just like this. Among the options, what you have to do is simply come here to the about and come and click on it. So you're going to get informations about the current version of the Google Antigravity that you are using. If you are using a version of this or lower, it means that you have to upgrade it in order to have Gemini 3.1 Pro work inside Google Antigravity. Simply come and click on OK and then come and then click on close to close it. Simply go to Google and then from Google search, come and then type in Google Antigravity just like this and hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Google Antigravity by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google Antigravity platform where you can come and then download the latest version. So come and click on download for your system. So I'm using Windows and I'm going to select download for S64. Okay. So when you click on it, it's automatically going to download for you. Just wait for it to finish just like this and come and then click on open. So when you click on open, the setup is going to pop up just like this. You have the option to read it. When you scroll down, simply come and then check the circle to accept the agreement and then come and click on the next. Okay, so it is going to come just like this. You have the option to create a desktop icon just like this, and then you can leave everything as it is and then come and then click on the next. So the next thing is that it is going to prepare to install for you. All that you have to do is simply come here and then come and then click on install. And as you can see, it is preparing to install on your system. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come here. So just allow it for it to finish install. Okay, you don't have to do anything at so just allow it to finish installing. So as you can see from here, it is going to launch. So make sure that check the box and then come and then click on finish. And that is it. So it is going to open Antigravity for you and then come and then click on the down arrow here and make sure that you select Gemini 3.1 Pro just like this. Okay, so after selecting it, you can simply come here and then chat with it. I already have a chat already, so I'm going to click on it to open. And over here, I'm simply going to start the chat. So I'm going to paste this prompt right here and then I am simply going to click on send for you to see that it is currently working. So as you can see, Gemini 3.1 Pro is working and it is working perfectly fine. So from here, I'm simply going to say thank you for doing my work for me and I'm going to click on submit. And as you can see, Gemini 3.1 Pro is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to get Gemini 3.1 Pro working inside Antigravity. Like the video and then see you in my next video.